I'm wondering how many of you are still doing your resolution, New Year, and New Me diet. I'm Ronnie Littlewood, owner of the Couples Clinic and 1 Million Marriages Saved, and I wanted to talk to you about you and your partner getting on track with your eating. In my house, I have I raised 4 kids, and there was an old joke that went around that when mom's on a diet, everyone's on a diet. And oh, there's truth in that, isn't there, ladies? But it is important at the beginning of the year when we're making our new goals and we're establishing our boundaries, and we're letting go of our resentments and all the things that we've been kind of talking about this month so far, about how we get healthier, even physically as a couple, whether that's introducing a new workout routine or really just cooking together. It has been shown that when couples cook together and they prepare food together and they eat together, they're actually stronger couples. Often I see, at least at the couples clinic, it's usually one person or the other, but I'm inviting you to think about this as a joint activity. And there can be some fun and adventure in it. Whether it's we're meal planning and we're trying to get healthy together, or maybe we're just doing it for fun. There was a movie a few years ago, and it featured Julia Child and her signature French dish, Beef Bourguignon. And I remember I made that because I was really curious, right? And it took forever, but it was so good. So just finding the time to let's reconnect by having a date indoors, right? I know we all got sick of that in COVID and nobody wants to do the indoor date, but we've been out for quite some time and maybe we bring it back. Maybe we make steak and lobster. Maybe we make a fancy salad. Maybe we try this crazy beef bourguignon recipe that only takes 3.5 hours to make. Whatever it is, yours is the choosing. And when we create fun and connection through food in our relationship, we're closer. Take care.